From time to time, you may need to post refunds to your customers. That might be for an overpayment, just an outstanding credit note that's just been sat there on the account, or maybe you've just credited an invoice and now need to show that you've refunded that money to the customer. The refund option in Sage Accounts makes this really easy. Let's have a look at it. If we start by looking at a customer activity, so in this example we've got an invoice for £120, the customer's paid that off, they've maybe subsequently returned the goods, so we've entered the credit note and now they've asked us for a refund. So to do that, just close out of the customer's account, and we can either go into bank accounts and choose refund from the top, or within customers we can click refund at the top. Both open exactly the same screen. So we choose the bank account that we're paying the money out of, so the bank current account in this example. Choose the customer, which is this business exhibitions account, and it will list all of the outstanding transactions. So we enter the date. I'm just going to use today's date. Now I can enter the amount of the refund in the sort of the check box, the value box at the top there. Or alternatively, I can just go down and enter the values against the relevant transactions that I want to refund. Now it's very obvious in this example as there's only one credit note. So I'll just click into the refund column and I can either type in that value if I'm refunding it in full, or I can click the option at the top, refund in full, or press F3. So let's just click that refund in full, pops in the value for us. If I'm quite happy with that, that's the amount I'm refunding. I'll save it, close out, and that's it done. You'll see this account is now back to a zero balance. So if we have a quick look at the activity, we can see we've got that transaction, an SP transaction, a sales payment, which is the refund. If required, this option can also be used if a check's bounced. So if a customer's paid you, the check's bounced, what we could do is we could enter a refund. So let's just quickly do one of those as well. So there's nothing outstanding on this account at the moment. So say this customer receipt had actually bounced. Just close out. Again, back to refund at the top. We'll choose business exhibitions because we know there's nothing outstanding on the account at the moment. Just accept the defaults. I'll just put bounced. Enter the value. Obviously we've got no transactions that are showing as being outstanding, so we need to enter a value at the top. So we'll say it was £120. Click save. Similar, if you were posting a payment on account, you get a similar message. There's an unallocated refund of £120. Do you want to post as an unallocated refund? So we can just click yes to that, close, and now we can see we've re-established the outstanding balance.